Our head coach of Jamaica College, Coach Davian Ferguson. First of all, a draw, 1-1. How are you feeling about today's game?
I'm disappointed in the result. I'm pleased with the performance. I think overall we fight, we challenge for everything. You know, Mona is a quality team, very experienced players. But I think on the run of the second half, we're a little bit disappointed because we thought we could have won this game and we should have won this game.
Yeah, speaking about the second half, in the first half it seemed as though Mona came out and they had more energy. They were playing, they had the majority of the position. You guys came out in the second half and turned around. What was it that you said to the guys in the dressing room at halftime?
We had to get closer to them. In the first half we were playing a little bit off, a little bit reserved. In the second half I think we got in it a little bit more. We got a little bit closer to them and I think we created enough chances to win the game.
We saw some old new faces today, Tiwayne Lynch and Dylan John. Speak to us about the impact that those two players had on their return.
Quality players. One was injured, one was away. But I think overall, what they showed and what they give is quality with experience. And we missed that over the last few games. And they came in and helped us to kind of steady the ship.
Alright, and lastly, 1 point. How does that set you up for the rest of the zone and going through in the Manning Cup?
As we said, we wanted 3, we got 1. The next game now is another difficult game. So we have to get these boys recovered and to think about how we approach that one.
Alright, coach.